Welcome back, Bears. I'm Mr. Sorno reporting from the BTV studio. Today is Monday, September 20th, and welcome to week 5. Let's take a quick look at today in history. Sorry about that. On September 20th, 1988, at the Summer Olympics in Seoul, South Korea, American diver Greg Louganis won the gold medal on the springboard despite nearly knocking himself unconscious during a qualifying round dive. Louganis won the gold medals in a 3-meter springboard and 10-meter platform at the 1984 Summer Olympics in Los Angeles, became the first man to win back-to-back gold medals in both events, solidifying his claim as the greatest diver ever. The academic decathlon team will hold a meeting today at 4:45 p.m. in room A212 for any students interested in joining. They're looking for students with all A's, all B's, or all C's to join and compete. For more information, see Academic Coach Ramses Escobedo in room A212. School picture order forms were sent home with students. Please check the form before the students assigned picture day this week. Today, freshmen will take pictures. Tomorrow's for sophomores, and juniors are Wednesdays. If students happen to be absent on the assigned day, they may take their photos on any of the other 2 days before school, during lunch, or throughout the day with a teacher's permission. For more information, contact Yearbook Advisor Christine Morales at 210-398-1377. Our Bears football team continued their winning ways with a 48-21 win against the Warren Warriors this past Saturday. Although the 17 penalties cost them 116 yards, still, the Bears put up 21 points against Warren's 7 points in the first half. In the second half, our Bears added 28 more points and the Warriors 14. Great win, Bears. Let's take a look at some highlights.
Go. Just looking forward to a great game against Warren tonight. Had a good week of practice. Should be a great game. Hopefully we play, to the best of our ability, come out with a win. That's what we expect to do. That's what we plan to do, and hopefully that's what happens. We're going to fight never dies.
This is a BTV production.
This week, our Bears have a bye week. The next game is September 30th. Everyone can help junior and wide receiver Avron Carter win the John Wayne Player of the Game Award. He scored twice against the Warriors, rushing for 110 yards and gaining 56 receiving yards. Go to potg.johnwayne.com to vote. He's currently in second place. Let's get out to vote every hour on the hour. Let's help him win. This past Saturday, our running Bears ran in the Judson cross-country meet, had several athletes finish in the top 25 in all divisions. Congrats to the following individual Bears winning first place in their division: Kayla Lyons, varsity girls; Amaya Mina, JV girls; Zach Miller, JV boys. Overall team finishes were varsity girls second place, varsity boys second place, JV girls second place, and JV boys first place. Way to run, Bears. This week, they run on Thursday at an evening Northside event. Congrats to our Lady Bears volleyball team for winning against Jay 3-0 this past Friday. Cheer them on against Holmes tomorrow at the Harlan Gym at 7 p.m. BFND, ladies. And finally, make plans to attend our 2021 Brennan Open House Parent Night this Wednesday. It's this Wednesday from 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. Your parents can meet your teachers, the counselors, and administrators. For more information, contact Academic Dean Michelle Craig at 210-398-1269. Well, this is all I have for today. And don't forget to follow us on Twitter at BTV Bears. And if you missed any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears. If you have any announcements for BTV, please email me, Mr. Cerna, at fernando.cerna@nisd.net. I'm Mr. Cerna, signing off from BTV. Have a great day, Bears. And remember, keep a positive mindset and stay engaged in your learning.
This is a BTV production.